Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my very easy to make Spanish rice recipe. My low carb version of the traditional recipe encompasses all the flavors you'd expect in traditional Spanish rice, but with only a fraction of the carbs. Let's get started. To make things easier, I'll be using this pre-riced frozen cauliflower. You'll need about 5 cups. Cook the cauliflower according to the package instructions and let come to room temperature. If you're ricing your own cauliflower, just microwave for about 5 to 10 minutes after ricing or until they become nice and tender. Chop about a 1/4 cup of pickled jalapenos into small pieces. Do the same with some fresh parsley. You'll need about a 1/4 cup. Add the cooked cauliflower to a large mixing bowl. Add the chopped parsley and the jalapenos. Pour in some crushed tomatoes, 4 lightly beaten eggs, a little chicken stock, some salt, ground black pepper, chili powder, cumin, some smoked paprika, just a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, some dried oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and some finely shredded cheese. We'll need 8 total ounces of cheese, but add half first and stir everything together. Once it's mixed together, add the remaining cheese and stir to incorporate. Lightly oil an 8 by 11 inch baking dish and evenly spread the mix into the dish. Place in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Remove and let cool for just a bit. Serve warm, garnish with some chopped parsley, and enjoy. There you have it, folks. My low-carb version of Spanish rice. All the flavors you expect, but with only a fraction of the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.